Hi, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you and welcome back. As from the title, this is a Christmas Rae Dunn haul. The way I'm going to do it today is show you the things that are non-Rae Dunn and then the things that are Rae Dunn. Okay. I went to Tuesday Morning, which is a store here in Dallas, and purchased some basic items because right now I'm in the process of redoing my hutch and updating it for Thanksgiving. Yes, I know I did that already, but I didn't like it. So I redid it and I redid it again. And now I love it. So I'm gonna do a video of an updated hutch for Thanksgiving. Some of the things that I've hauled in that hutch I did not want to take out to do for my haul video. So when I do my hutch video, I'll let you know what is new that I have in there. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, like I said, I went to Tuesday Morning and I picked up some basic things. I got these picture holders, which you can get these from anywhere. This particular size was $2.25 and they vary. You can get these at Michael's, but they had them at Hobby Lobby, so I got them. I got this one and a couple of other sizes because I was redoing my hutch. I also got at Tuesday Mornings these gingerbread spreaders. They are so gorgeous and the detail on them is so cute with the little red bow tie. I really like them. My kitchen theme originally was red, white, and black, and it was going to be a bakery thing, but somehow, some way, it has transformed to be a gingerbread kitchen. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot of cute stuff, and I was going to do a shop with me at Hobby Lobby because they have like a lot of gingerbread stuff. So I'm going to do that and bring y'all with me and try that out to see how, you know, that works out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to get into the Rae Dunn stuff. First, I'm going to get the stuff that I got on sale because your girl loves a deal. So I found a couple of deals and steals. The first was this scoop. I do not have this in my collection and I was so surprised, and it was on sale for $5 at Marshall's. So I was very excited about that. I like the how long it is. It's very, very cute. So now it's part of my collection. Welcome to the family. Something else that I also got on sale was bake, because it goes in with the bakery theme, and it was only $8, marked down from $16.99. So I just could not leave this there. It was a very good deal, and it does match with what I'm trying to accomplish in my kitchen. Okay, let's get to the stuff that was found for me. My Dunn buddies are the greatest. I love them. They found a few things for me that I'm excited about. One of them was a mug. My Dunn buddy called me and says, hey, do you want Deck the Halls? And I was like, I already have it. But I have the Deck the Halls with the red inside. She had the one with the tree on the back. So I was excited about this. I said, yes, 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 because I had already seen this before and I wanted it. Another thing that she found for me was the Santa mug. Okay, I love the red mugs, and I think the only red mug I don't have that I currently want is Santa's Helpers. I have a ridiculous amount of mugs for Christmas, so guys, if it's not Santa's Helper or sweater weather, I'm basically not gonna get it because I have enough. I've been organizing my china cabinet and I'm like, okay, I have been overwhelmed with mugs, so I need to slow down. I'm not complaining because I'm blessed, but yeah, I have to have somewhere to put my dishes. I just can't buy a bunch of mugs. Let's get into some things that I found. I was in this TJ Maxx that I don't go to because it's a lady that goes there that she's a reseller. She gets all the stuff and she knows all the people, and she'll sit there and wait all day for them to bring stuff out because they do not do openings. And so When I walked in, I had low expectations of finding anything good, but I did find this mug with jingle with the red inside. I think the red is just so gorgeous, especially during Christmas time. It's one of my favorite holidays. So yeah, I was happy to see this one, jingle. And the mugs, of course, retail for $5.99. Another mug that I found, which was very random, I found it actually on a tank, but it was just this one, and I don't know if somebody had taken the box already or what, but it was just this one on the tank, which was weird. Which was even more weird. My Dunn Betty went back and found the whole box, so I don't know what they was doing. They don't either. But that particular Marshall does openings, so I don't know. And it was $5.99. And it's Joy with the green letters. I don't know if you can see that on camera. And the red interior, which I love, love, love. Okay, that's all the mugs that I got this week. One of my Dunn Buddies wanted a dog bowl, and on Pinterest I don't know if it was Pinterest or Instagram, but I seen a dog bowl used to hold cookies in a cloche put on top of them, and I wanted to do it. It's ho 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 with the bakery theme. Probably sit it on top of my cabinets, or maybe in my hutch, I don't know, but I wanted to do that. I thought it was so cute, so I did pick up this ho 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 dog bowl, which is $5.99. It's really cute. Okay, and I don't have a pet. I like the idea. Okay, the last couple things were things that I found except for one. I was in Marshall's at probably like 6 o'clock. No, it was Home Goods at 6 o'clock. And I saw this guy with a basket full of banks. Well, I had seen the banks on the new release. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm on Instagram all the time. Well, I was on Instagram and I had saw these on Instagram, and I think I was talking to one of my Dunn Buddies about it, and she was like she didn't like it. It wasn't that cute, but I thought they were cute. And one of my favorite sayings, and I have it on my James Avery bracelet, which if you want me to do a video about my bracelet, let me know. But I have dream big. It's one of my favorite sayings. I love it. I dream big. And I have big expectations. So when I saw this particular bank, I took it. Yes. I don't know if this is called a birdhouse bank. I don't know the proper name for it. So if you put it in the comments below for me, if you know what it's called. I just think it's like a piggy bank. I don't know if it's a, because we have the birdhouse clocks. So I don't know if this is a birdhouse piggy bank. But yeah, this is how it's made. It's really tiny. It retails for $14.99. So yeah, I thought this was a really good idea that she came up with. I found that one, and I did not know it was a thing until I went on TJ Maxx website and tried to purchase it because they have wine stash too. So I was like, oh, let me see if they got it. And they have a whole bunch of other cute sayings, and I was gonna try to get a couple, but they sold out like that. So I was like, oh, this is really a thing. People really like it. So yeah, I found out that people really like that real fast. And then I talked to a different Dunn Buddy, and she was like, oh yeah. And if I would have known that, I would have picked up more than just one, because I think it was like 4 or 5 there left after he took about 10. Okay, yeah, he took a bunch. But I also found out he was a reseller. Next, I found these at Home Goods. I found 3 of them at Home Goods. 3 of them at one Home Goods and 1 of them at a different Home Goods. I saw these, and my theme has evolved into this gingerbread thing, which I love, and I've been attracting a lot of gingerbread stuff. I got this. Oh snap. I found 3 at one Home Goods, and I found 1 at another. I should have got 6. I don't know what I was thinking, but I may go back and see if they have 2 more left. If so, I'll take them. But if not, I missed out, because I do need 2 more of those, because they're super duper cute. I love them. This last 2 things are like very special. I have a small story for them. The first one is, it's a Home Goods that's near me, not too far from me. And the manager only puts 1 thing out at a time. Everybody knows this. Even other stores know that he does this. Well, he puts 1 thing out and he hides it. So he'll tell the employees, they'll sneak things out in their jacket and hide it and just do all kind of weird stuff. So it's like, the point is that people don't clear shelves, which I get, but it's also annoying. You know what I mean? I get it, but it's annoying. So with that being said, I usually don't shop there, and a lot of other people feel the same way. They're like, we don't even shop there because it's like worthless, not worth your time. There's nothing really there new. I mean, one person may find one item, and I don't know if we put it out every hour, every 2 hours, but it's like really tedious. So you don't shop there hardly. This is a place where I shopped to get the red canister that I got, and if you go back and hear the story on that, it's another Christmas, and I can't think of the episode, but it's another Christmas haul. But yeah, it's really crazy there. So I found this. I was out shopping with my kids, and I found this gingerbread bowl, which I was super excited about. I found the medium and I found the large. Very, very cute. Gingerbread. I wish I could find the small gingerbread. You know, if you watch me, you know, last week I found the small ho ho ho, which I could possibly use as to put in here, but I really guys, I really want the small gingerbread. So if I find it, I will be a happy girl. Last but not least, I was talking to my friend, and I have like increased my birdhouse collection substantially. Like I have a lot of birdhouses now for me. Now I don't have a whole lot, but I have a lot for me. So I was asking about how do you do your collection, how do you decide what items you want to get, and she told me that one of the ones, like basic, is to have like a welcome home. Well, I already had a home, and she had her friend had a welcome, and she got that for me. So it's a welcome. Y'all, it is just, I love it. So I can't wait to show you guys it on my hutch. So yeah, that is the last item. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going through a couple of changes. I'm working on my lighting. I'm working on my sound. So comment below what you think. And I'm working on it, y'all. I'm trying to bring you better content. Please subscribe and like. That helps me. Please watch my videos. That helps me. Please share my videos. That helps me as well. Thank you guys. You're such a blessing to me. And happy hunting. Bye.